guys, here comes a train. Yeah! There goes engine 2, guys, or Quint 2. Responding to a call, probably. I have no idea. Probably stopping right there to reset that switch, probably. Yeah, they're trying to reset that switch, I think.
Off in the clear, take it ahead.
Wait, but there's a truck. No, look. They can't get past that. Guys. Oh dear. They can't get past that. No way, they did get past that. Yeah. I thought they weren't getting past that, didn't you? They're stopping. I thought they crashed, didn't you? Wait, so they still got here? They just now got here?
There's one of the trucks coming down the bottom.